Corner Government of Camotes Hillside Academy Incorporated, it is with great pride and excitement that I warmly welcome all of you to our much anticipated acquaintance party, where Denim meets Coachella. This afternoon, we gather not only to celebrate, but also to strengthen the bond that makes our school more than just a place of learning. It makes us a family. This event is a special tradition that allows us to meet new friends, reconnect with the old ones, and celebrate the talents, joy, and unity that define us as an academian. Especially to our new members, the grade 7 and transferee students. May this afternoon be the first glimpse of how truly vibrant, supportive, and welcoming our community is. You are no longer strangers here, but a part of our family. To our dear teachers, faculty, and staff, thank you for your unwavering dedication and guidance. Your presence this afternoon reminds us that learning is not only confined to classrooms, but also found in the bonds we build and the memories we create. As the SSLG President, I encourage each one of you to seize this moment. Sing your hearts out, dance with joy, laugh with your friends, and let this be a memory you will carry throughout the years. But also let us remember that beyond the fun and music, the true essence of this event is connection, unity, and friendship. So, let's make this acquaintance more than just a party. Let's make it a beginning of lasting friendships, unforgettable experiences, and a stronger academic spirit. Together, let's celebrate who we are and the journey that lies ahead. Enjoy responsibly. Once again, welcome to our Acquaintance Party 2025, Coachella Festival Denim Edition. A time of joy, unity, and unforgettable memories. Thank you.
Thank you, Jean, for that heartfelt welcome. You've set the tone for a day filled with unity and good vibes. And now, it's time to turn up the energy. Champ brings the carnival spirit alive through movement